Welcome to Aarti's Education. Today we are going to learn how to solve practice set 40. Here we have 4 questions in it. Let's read our first question. Draw line L, take point P anywhere outside the line. Using a set square, draw a line PQ perpendicular to line L. Now we have to take point anywhere outside the line. In previous practice set, we learned how to take a point on given line and how we can draw a perpendicular line by using set square, then compass and protractor. Here we tell us to take the point anywhere outside the line. How we can draw a perpendicular line then? Let's learn. First of all, here the instruments we are going to use set square. This is set square, a scale or ruler and pencil. First draw line L. Draw a line and give a name to it, L. This is our line L. Then we have to take point anywhere outside the line. Let's take point here. This is our point and we have to give the name of that point is P. Let's give here name P. Now next step is place one of the arms of the right angle of the set square. This is our set square and this is the arm of right angle, this one and this one. Now we have to put it on line L. Let's put the line, any of the line on line L like this. Slide the set square along the line in such a way that the other arm of its right angle touches the point of P. Here we slide it and now it touches the point P. Now drag a line here passing through the point P. Like this. Drag it. Show arrows. This is the answer of our first question. We draw here a perpendicular line using a set square. This one is a 90-degree angle, so make here the sign of right angle. Now the second question is, draw line AB, take point M anywhere outside the line. Using a compass and ruler, draw a line MN perpendicular to line AB. Now we have to draw line AB. Let's draw it. Use a ruler for it. Here we are going to draw line AB. Line have arrows on both sides, so show them and give a name A and B, AB. Now take point M anywhere outside the line. I am going to take here. You can take also the lower side. Now we have to draw a perpendicular line using a compass. So let's use a compass. This is our compass. Put a pencil. And then let's take distance in compass and put the metal point of the compass on point M, and we have to take a convenient distance, and we have to draw arcs to cut the line AB like this on both sides, like this. These are the arcs. Now place the compass on the point we get by cutting the arcs on AB. This one, let's give the name to it, C and T. Now taking a distance greater than half of CD, this one is greater than half of CD, we have to draw an arc on the lower side of AB. This is lower side of AB. Let's draw arcs here. This one, and now put the metal point on point C and draw arcs here like this. Now we have to draw a line through the intersecting point here and point M. Let's join these 2 points. The name of this point is N. Now join M and N. Like this. This is our perpendicular line by using a compass and ruler. Now the third question. The third question is, draw a line segment AB of length 5.5 centimeter. Here they gives us length, so we have to draw a perfect length of 5.5 centimeter. Bisect it using a compass and ruler. Let's draw a line segment here. Line segment doesn't have arrows, so we doesn't show them. Let's take a distance of 5.5 centimeter. Here we have to start from 0, and here is 5, and again we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines here, 5.5, and then we have to draw a line segment. This is a line segment of 5.5 centimeter. Right here 5.5 centimeter. Now what we have to do, we have to bisect it by using compass and ruler. This is our compass, and we have to bisect it by using this. How to bisect it? Place the compass point on end points of line segment. These are the end points of line segment. Let's give the name it A and B. A and B are the end points of this line segment. So first of all, put your metal point of compass on point B. Take a distance greater than half of the length of AB. Let's take the distance greater than half of, or smaller than full distance. Here we are taking the distance. Then draw 2 arcs one below and one above the segment AB, like this. One is above and another is below. Now place the compass point at A and using the same distance we have to draw arcs to intersect the previous arcs, like this. Let's intersect these arcs above and below. Now we get here 2 points by intersecting the arcs. These are the points we get by intersecting the arcs. Let's join them. And show arrow on both sides. Now this line is the perpendicular bisector of segment AB. Now let's look to the next question. The fourth question is, take a point R on line XY. Draw a line perpendicular to XY at R using a set square. Now we have to use the set square. To draw a perpendicular line, let's draw line XY and we have to take point on that line. Let's draw it first. Here they doesn't give us the specific distance of line or length of line, so we have to draw any length. Let's draw line here. The name of line is XY. This is a line, so we have to show arrows on both sides. Let's give them name X and Y. These are the 2 points. Now take a point R on line. Let's take a point here. The name of point is R. Draw a line perpendicular to XY at R. Let's take a set square for it. Now we have to put a set square on XY like this. Let's draw here a line which is perpendicular to XY at R. This is the solution of our practice set 40. Hope you understand. Practice it very well and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you. See you in next video.